guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Fish Tank. I am Cole, and today we have another unboxing. But this one is a special unboxing. This one is from the Kustomizer. A lot of you guys have started to hear about the Kustomizer. He's a very giving and caring man that loves to build these custom cars. And he reached out to me and many other builders recently and asked them, what do you like? What are you into? And he built us some cool cars. And today, his package finally came to me. So today, I wanted to do a very, very quick video to A, shout out the Kustomizer, and B, to show off these awesome customs. He does sell these cars, so if you guys are interested, go check out his Instagram. I'll put a link down below, and I will also put a link to his YouTube channel. He does some pretty cool stuff, and all the money that he does raise from these cars, he does give them towards his son that was just newly born. So if you want to go help him support his kid and support him as a customizer, that would be greatly appreciated. I've also noticed he's starting to design portraits, so he's pretty much doing anything. Like I saw him do a dog, a car, a lot of cars, and pretty much anything, and it was all beautiful. It was beautiful work. You guys really got to go check out his Instagram. A lot of stuff on his story and a lot of stuff in his feed. If you guys don't go check him out, I will go keep checking him out and enjoying all of his content. So make sure if you do go check him out, tell him I sent you. So let's get to the cars. So if I remember correctly, one's a Mustang and one is yep, that's it. It was the Fate of the Furious 71 GTX, and it looks like he redid it in gold, and it looks beautiful. He did the details in the back. He didn't do them in the front, but that is okay because it actually still looks pretty cool, just them in the back. And he also did very well detail on the bottom. This will never be opened again. This will be going on the shelf in my personal collection with all of my other builders' cars. The next car we have is this 69 Ford Boss G3, can't talk. 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302. Looks like he put the wheel riders on, and he put this cool custom paint on it. It looks like he either hand painted or stencil painted those flames on, if you can kind of see them. He did the splitter in yellow, and he did the details. That looks really cool. He did the details in the back too, and those look awesome. Look how straight those lines are. That is some steady work right there. I think that was a part of the car. And this thing just looks beautiful. And then he added the wheel riders. And this was my favorite part of this build, to be honest. The bottom. That is some clean work right there. Very detailed. And I honestly am taking up on him on this detail stuff. And I'm going to look back and base some future builds on this kind of stuff, because this is very impressive. And lastly, a note. I know I should have started with the note, but we didn't this time. And our note says, "Thank you for being patient with me, bro. As you can see, I have a lot on my plate right now. Hope you like it. It's TKD." And TKD, dude, I absolutely love the cars. Thank you very much for both of them. These will be cherished in my diecast collection forever. And guys, like I said, if you haven't already, go check out the Kustomizer. Go have him customize you some cool cars. And guys, have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one. We got some cool stuff coming, so make sure you stay tuned. Bye, guys.
This video is sponsored by Hobbytown. Hobbytown is an awesome hobby store where you can find all your hobbies wants and needs. They provide everything from your tools and supplies to an awesome variety of paints, from spray paints to paints for your airbrush. To find your local Hobbytown, you can go to www.hobbytown.com. www.hobbytown.com to use the store locator at the top center of the homepage to find the closest store near you. Again, the website to use is www.hobbytown.com. Remember, we make your free time awesome.